Hey guys, it's your boy Siya Tshabalala, but you can call me Rodie Tort. If you like and you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Anything you have, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So guys, as you see by the title down below, we are in Irene Park today, and yeah, we're just exploring and we're gonna have fun without any waste of time. Let's get straight into this video. So guys, I just wanted to tell you this because I couldn't vlog, so I just wanted to show you what I ate before I arrived at Irene Park and show you the way. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. There's supposed to be cows here, but they're not here at the moment, but you'll see them when we walking, and they'll be out and walking some other side. Then they start pushing me on a swing, guys. Just imagine being pushed and playing on a swing at this age. Me being childish. You know the vibes, you know the vibes. Hi guys, so there are cows here and it's baby cows, as you can see. I don't know if I can touch this, but I'm scared. Let me try. Let me try and touch it. There are so many cows here, guys, and I feel like I'm gonna touch one, and it's the bigger ones here. Yeah.
You're even scared of a cow.
It looks like this cow is posing for my vlog. It just came directly to me. Bye, cow. Bye. So guys, I'm walking towards this path and there are like so many cows out here, and it's always the view for me. It's the view for me. Yeah, it's the view for me. Just check. Okay, the only problem here, it's that the sun is that side and the nicer view is that side, and when I show you with the camera it's gonna look a bit crusty, but look at the grass, guys. Look at the grass. And there are like so many cows out here. Like there are many cows, and yeah, let's go. So for my background, guys, it is a farm. What is it called? yeah, where they make cow milk, and you can get like fresh cow milk from there. So yeah. So guys, let me show you cows coming. There are so many. Guys, can you please look at this old petrol thing? Like, it looks so old, and yeah, I didn't know that old petrol. What are these things called? Like, comment down below. I don't know what is this thing called, but yeah, it looks like this. And yeah, and like there's a restaurant up there, guys. This place is so amazing. We had to go to the restaurant, but the problem is that it's now closed and it's like late. Thank you so much for watching and vibing with me and spending the day with me. And yeah, this is the end of the video, as you can see. And thank you. You've seen the cows. You've been seeing the best views. What must I say? It's best views, but anyways, yeah, the nice views. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is basically the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And peace. See you next time.